What's the top question that I get asked? Everybody always wants to know how I got off the ladder. I sought out the very best technology partners for lead generation, and now we make it rain, literally, rain gutter leads. How did my business start out? Not too well. I had to leave an unsupportive girlfriend and I landed on my friend's couch for 3 months to start the business. First truck we had was a Chevy P30 step van. It looked like a bread truck. It was actually an old decommissioned US Navy vehicle, and we found the words US Navy on the back doors covered over in paint. And that truck broke down once a week and spilled oil all over our clients' driveways. With our 5-star marketing program, we'll custom design all your videos and stills and get them up online, generating you new jobs immediately. Yes, guys, this ad concept is everything, and it's making the phones ring tremendously in multiple markets. Even our competitors wanted to take this ad concept, but they can't have it. It's ours. Take advantage of it in your marketplace. Now we own 2 Mercedes Sprinter vans, dual axle covered trailer, Ford F350 dually flat body, Ford F350 Super Duty, GMC Sierra Denali, a Subaru for one of our sales guys, and no, there's no more oil leaks. Follow me to learn the secrets on how I took my gutter company from $50,000 a year to over $2 million.